Hello and welcome back to Simply Mobile. We are back today with more tips and tricks. This time I have 5 of them and it's how to save or extend your battery life on your iPhone. If you're ever out and about and you're dipping into that red zone and you need that extra hour or two, there are 5 things you can do that can extend your battery life. If you have a tip or a trick that I have not mentioned on this list, post it below. So here's our 5 quick tips to save battery. Pushing up and sliding your apps away will not save battery, it's a myth. It will actually cost you battery to do this, so don't. Number 2 is low power mode. If you go to settings, scroll down to battery, and you will see low power mode at the top. If you toggle this on, you'll be notified that you'll have restricted access, but you will barely notice the difference. Number 3 is adjusting the brightness. If you slide down on your iPhone, you will see the brightness bar. Slide this down and it will save your battery. Number 4 is deleting apps. If you go back into settings and then battery, scroll down and you will see all the apps and the battery that they use. If there are any apps there that you do not use and it's costing you battery, just go ahead and delete them. Number 5 is probably the biggest battery spender. It is background apps refresh. Go into settings, go to general, scroll down to background app refresh. You'll see at the top this is on. If you select it, you'll be given 3 options. Go ahead and turn this off and it will stop using your battery to refresh apps in the background. So that was 5 quick tips on how to save or extend your battery life. Now you could always put airplane mode on, but obviously you won't be able to get text messages or calls and you'd have no access to the internet. So got a calculator basically. Next up, I'm going to do 7 tips and tricks in general for the iPhone. So I've already filmed this video, so I'll link it at the end, and there is one in there on how to turn your iPhone into a tape measure. It's augmented reality, but true. So like, subscribe. If you have any ideas that you would like us to look into or potentially do videos on, post that below as well, and if it's good, we'll do it.